Hi guys, welcome to Kids Woods. Pretty much all of you know that coronavirus is spreading like anything. So I decided to make a disposable face mask. The materials you need is a paper napkin, 2 rubber bands, and some cello tape. So let's get started. Take the paper napkin, fold it in half. Now fold it again. Now fold it one more time. Now open everything up. Now you should have these markings. So now we're going to do the zigzag fold. So now that once you've done that, take a rubber band, put it over here, and you're going to fold it like this, and take a piece of tape and tape that. Now do the same thing on the other side. So now that I'm done doing that, you could open this up very gently, otherwise it'll rip. So I've opened it up. Now I'll wear it. And also, don't forget to dispose this when you come back from outside. Bye guys! If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link over here. Bye! Thanks for watching my video!